शुरू हो गया? Right, thank you. Okay, boys, here today in this video we'll continue with stoichiometry, limiting agent, how to identify major product, percentage of elements, and few examples in the previous video, the sort of percentage formulas and empirical formulas. Okay, first one we'll go with empirical formula calculations. Already you got perfection in that. A little extent, just 2 minutes I'll revise. Percentage of carbon from CO2 we should get 12 by 44 into 100 into weight of carbon dioxide divided by weight of organic compound. Percentage of hydrogen if you want 2 by 18 into 100 into weight of H2O divided by weight of organic compound. If percentage of nitrogen you want, you should go by 28 by 22,400 into volume of nitrogen into 100 divided by weight of organic compound. ये use करना. If you want percentage of oxygen, it is of 100 minus all carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, whatever the extent it is there, add करो आपको मिलता है. In questions they will give directly empirical formula. If empirical formula is given, molecular formula to find, taken n. कैसे आता है n value? n is equal to molecular formula weight divided by empirical formula weight. It is like our CH2O taken n. ये empirical formula से molecular formula बन गया ये. How much n it is there? n कैसे है? n is equal to molecular formula weight by empirical formula weight, or molecular weight by empirical formula weight, or 2 into vapor density by empirical formula weight. ये बनना चाहता. You should get up to this much. Already these formulas were completed, but still in this video more than 3 to 4 minutes I am spending for this one. Means you should know that all the formulas, not only knowing, you should by heart. That is the importance of this one. Without percentages you can't get empirical formula. Okay, method: percentage carbon, percentage hydrogen, percentage nitrogen and percentage oxygen दिए तो divide with their atomic weights. Divide with their atomic weights. Get simplest ratio. You will get empirical formula. हो गया. Sir, in this empirical formula finding, if आपको simplest ratio तक आ गया पर आने के बाद ऐसा मिला, एक 1.5 है, एक 1 है, एक 2 है, एक 1.4 मिला. सर क्या करना है? ऐसा है तो राउंडिंग ऑफ मुश्किल है ना. 2.93 डाल सकते, 2.1 ओके, यू कैन मेक इट एज 2, बट हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल 1.4? ठीक है, हमारा अंतरात्मा भी क्या बोलते कि अरे ये गलत है बोल के. ठीक है, यू कांट राइट 1.5 एज 2, रॉन्ग. देन गो टू मल्टीप्लाई ऑल द नंबर्स विथ 2. अभी तरीका आसान होगा. 1.5 into 3, 3 वैल्यू. ये 2 है जी, ये 4 है, ये 2.8. 2.8 कैन बी टेकन एज 3. वो थोड़ा कर सकते, लेकिन 1.4 को 1 गलत है जी. सर इफ अब एक तरीका बोले 1.5 है तो कैसे करना, 1.4, 1.3 आए तो क्या करना, एक 1.3 आया, एक 3 आया, एक 2 आया, एक 1 more it is there as 2.3, क्या करना, मल्टीप्लाई द टोटल विथ 3, आसान हो गया. 0.3 into 3 will be 0.9, nearest number you can add, so 1.3 into 3, टेबल्स भी आना थोड़ा, आंसर क्या मिलेगा 4, इधर 9, इधर 6. सर 2.3 into 3, whatever the number it is there we are getting, next आपको 0.9 है, वो 0.9 will be 1 हो जाता है. ये तरीका है जी करने का. सो empirical formula, molecular formula and finding empirical formula in this got somewhat perfection. अच्छा, in this one if we go with an example, we'll go right, K2CO3 potassium carbonate, K2CO3. First we'll go with percentage of potassium is equal to, क्या करना, better go for this mass, 2 into 39 divided by total K2CO3 molecular mass है, K2CO3 molecular mass 2 into 39 plus 12 plus 48, K2CO3 16 3 is 48, कार्बन का 12, पोटेशियम का 2 into 39. सर this one you will get, ये 60 आ गया, ये वाला 78 आ गया, 60 78 ओवरऑल 138 into 100, ये परसेंटेज पोटेशियम. अभी परसेंटेज कार्बन होना आपको 12 by 138 into 100, परसेंटेज ऑक्सीजन होना 48 by 138 into 100, ऐसा ही है. KCO परसेंटेजेस आ जाता. For suppose in your question ऐसा percentages दिया KCO, for suppose it was given values, what you have to do, ठीक है ले लेंगे x y z, what you have to do. सर ये प्रोसीजर आपको मालूम है, it's not a difficult thing. In this a little confusions are there, that's why you have to solve questions. Today if possible I will give you exercise questions also. I will post exercise questions, max it is today, if not tomorrow morning in your WhatsApp group it is available. So x, y and z it is. अभी x को क्या करना, by 39 करना पड़ता, y को ये वाला कार्बन है ना 12, ऑक्सीजन को 16 divide with their atomic weights, then get a simplest ratio, that is empirical formula. Other ones will be molecular formulas only. In that way you have to conclude. Okay, so empirical formula, molecular formula questions you are able to do. If any difficulty is there, you can post question to me. If difficult question is there, you can post to me. If it is easier, no issue. Or try one time, second time or third time. Even after getting third time trial also you are not getting, better post me in my WhatsApp group, already it is there with you number. Now limiting agent. Limiting agent is the agent which decides the total reaction velocity. Total velocity of the reaction can be decided by an agent. That guy is known as a limiting agent in a reaction. Sir, क्या है ये term इतना अच्छा समझ में नहीं आया? Okay. Example. First, suppose you and your team is going to Shabarimala. 14 members are going to Shabarimala. Right? While you are going to Shabarimala, you have to go by walk for 7.5 kilometers. It is compulsory. No chance, no option also. In that 7.5 kilometer walking stage, somewhat stairs are there, somewhere normal flat land, somewhere elevated level, like this it is there. All are hills. In your 14 members team, for suppose, one guy is there with an age of 65 years. And 4 or 5 are there with a less than 10 years age group. Remaining all are there at 30-35 years age group. So no problem with these fellows. They will run fast. No issue. Those are not limiting agents. They will not decide your team velocity. These fellows, they will simply follow these fellows. Because these are the children, they know less. They may fall, they may cry what they want. In that way, simply these fellows also will run with these guys. Only problem is the 65-year guy deciding factor of your team velocity, because you as a team means you can't leave this guy. You should follow with this guy only. You should not follow these fellows. You should not follow these fellows. You should follow this one. That candidate is called as limiting agent. Okay? In a chemical reaction, which one is the limiting agent to decide that CO2 plus O2 or CO2 से काम नहीं चलता, CO plus O2 gives rise to CO2 आ रहा है. ठीक है? CO plus half O2 gives rise to CO2. A reaction balanced है. No problem with this. Reaction is balanced format. Reaction is in balanced format. अभी question क्या दिया आपको? 2 moles of carbon monoxide, 3 moles of oxygen दिया, CO2 prepare करो बोल के question आया. As per the chemical equation, CO plus half O2 gives rise to CO2, it is sufficient. No need to go for any other parameters. Only 2 parameters which decide the reaction. One is carbon monoxide, the other one oxygen. Exactly as per the chemical equation, if it is 1 mole, half it is sufficient. If it is 1, half sufficient. No doubt it is. अभी हमारे पास 2 मोल है, इधर 3 मोल है. Sir, on what basis we have to say CO2? That is limiting agent. If you take 3 moles of oxygen as a limiting agent, okay, better we'll take these 4 or 5 years guys or the deciding factors. Limiting agent, wrong हो जाता पक्का. 3 moles of O2 if it is limiting agent. अभी equation क्या बोल रहे हैं हमको? Sir, every equation says levels in the form of moles only. What is that? 1 mole CO require half mole O2 to give 1 mole CO2. 1 second. Okay, question I have. Thoda signal come. Right here, every equation says a data. Door close karo. Thank you. CO plus half O2 gives rise to CO2. In this one 1 mole of CO and this is of half mole of O2, which gives CO2. This statement is, it helps to say that if you have 1 mole CO, exactly half mole O2 sufficient. Now we are thinking that 3 moles O2 is the limiting agent. We are expecting, may or may not be correct it is. Okay. If it is half mole, I'll write with another chalk. If it is half mole, this one, how much CO required? 1. If it is half, how much CO required? 1. अभी 3 है तो 6 होना है ना? We are getting easily. Half है तो 1 है, 3, it should be 6. इतना है इधर, 6 moles है. 4 or 5 years guys, 4 or 5 members are less than 10 years. They can move fastly. He can't go in that way. So that 3 moles of O2 is not the deciding one, because that much energy or that much number of moles are not available. So either only 2 components are there. One is no means the other one will be yes, na? Ho gaya. If 3, 4 are there, you have to decide like this. You have to decide like this. So which one is limiting agent be? 2 moles. Why, sir? So, okay, sir, we will verify this one also. Okay. If 2 is there, sorry, not 2, 1. As per equation, first you have to write. If 1 is there, it should be 1 by 2. If 2 is there, it should be 1 or not? If 2 is there, it should be 1. कितना है जी? 3 तक available है. So 1 use करो, क्या होगा? मतलब after reaction, some moles of oxygen retains in the reaction mixture. Retains means remains. Even after chemical reaction, 2 moles of oxygen remains in the chemical reaction mixture or vessel. So decide based on CO. 1 CO gives 1 CO2. 2 moles CO gives 2 moles of CO2. So how many moles of CO2 we can get? 2 moles of CO2. I hope all of you got that limiting agent method, how to identify. Clear? One more question I will give you. Just try to get this one answer. CH4 plus O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2O. CH4 plus 2O2 gives rise to CO2 plus 2H2. अभी मीथेन 4 लीटर्स दिया, ऑक्सीजन 6 लीटर्स दिया. Those are asking that how many moles of CO2 possible? Try to get it. How many moles of CO2 is possible? So deciding factor, which one? Which one is the deciding factor? Based on that, you can find product and answer for your question. अभी CH4 है, 2O2. We are getting CO2 and 2H2. CH4 and 2O2. Exactly 1 mole methane require 2 moles of oxygen. We have learned that one statement I gave you already. I will try to write that formula here. N directly proportional to V. एक बार बोले. If it is, when it is applicable, N directly proportional to V is applicable whenever system is gas. Whenever the system is gas, it is applicable. Number of moles are directly proportional to volume, which is applicable for only gaseous system. So instead of number of moles, volume you can take. Both are gases, na? Not applicable for liquid water. Okay. 4 liter is 6 liter. Instead of n, v we can take volume. So अभी क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें? ये रिलेशन एक बार लेटरिंग में लिख दूं सर, वो इक्वेशन का. ये रिलेशन आपको मालूम है. 1 मोल ऑफ CH4 requires 2 moles of O2. ये रिएक्शन है. One more method based on volume. 1 liter of CH4 requires 2 liters of O2. 1 liter CH4 require 2 liters O2. 1 mole CH4 require 2 moles of O2. Both are correct. No doubt in this. So, based on this, why both the statements are correct? Gaseous system it is. For gases n directly proportional to V, you can take 4 liter abhi. Okay. If it is 4 liter CH4, कितना ऑक्सीजन होना? 1 लीटर को 2 लीटर होना, 4 लीटर है तो कितना लीटर होना? 8 लीटर होना. 8 liter oxygen required. But really, how many liters are there? 6 only. So limiting agent कौन है इधर? ये 4 liter वाला deciding नहीं है. ठीक है? ये 4 liter methane is not the deciding one. We can't say answer based on 4 liters of methane. Wrong है. Why sir? Required component is not there. Okay, come from the top that oxygen system. अभी हमारा oxygen में क्या है जी? 2 liters of oxygen. How many liters of methane? 1 liter of methane. अभी 6 liter of oxygen है जी हमारे पास. तो कितना लीटर होना? 3 liter methane बस. Means which will retain after reaction? 1 liter methane retains in the reaction mixture. ठीक है? All the O2 can be consumed of. कार्बन में कितना नंबर है उतना नंबर CO2 मिलेगा. Whatever the preceding number for methane, same number will appear in the form of CO2. What is this? CO2, how many? ये 4 liter है. कितना कंज्यूम हो गया? 3 liter consumed. 3 liter consumed. That's why remaining is 1 liter. So 3 liter consumed of. 4 is appearing to be 1, 3 liter consumed. So 3 consumed will appear like 3 CO2. And 1 will appear like 2 water. Water in vapor phase ले लेंगे, gas phase. 1 will appear like 2. 3 will appear like 6. So 6 liters of water vapor or gas phase. ऐसा काम करना पड़ता है. ठीक है? समझ में आया? In this one, which one is the limiting agent? Oxygen. Appearing to be excess, but it is not excess. So what is the limiting agent? अभी नया definition आ रहे हैं. Which one can be consumed of? पूरा consume हो गया, वो limiting agent है. अभी ये final definition है जी. The component which undergoes complete reaction is called as limiting agent. The component which undergoes complete reaction is called as limiting agent. Barium chloride plus H2S, barium sulfide plus 2HCl. ऐसा दिया रिएक्शन। 0.1 मोल बेरियम क्लोराइड लिया, 0.2 मोल H2S लिया। अभी लिमिटिंग एजेंट कौन है वो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं। इन दिस रिएक्शन which one is the limiting agent? So limiting agent कौन होगा? Try to get it. Which one is the possible one for limiting agent? Barium chloride, H2S, BAS and 2HCl. Exactly in this equation, no need of limiting agent. Reason, 1 BaCl2, 1 H2S gives 1 BAS and 2 HCl. हो गया है equation. So 0.1 require 0.1 only. मतलब limiting agent कौन है? Barium chloride हो गया. ये आसान है थोड़ा. Somewhat easier. Okay? Exactly 0.1 is there. ये 0.1 पूरा कंज्यूम हो जाता है. इधर 0 मिलेगा रिएक्शन के बाद, ये वाला 0.1 मिलेगा, ये वाला 0.1 है, ये 0.2 होगा. All of you got clarity on this one. Why 0.2 HCl is there? 1 BaCl2 will appear like 2 HCl. Sir, why you are depending on BaCl2? H2S से depend कर सकते ना? We can. But first identify limiting agent in the reaction, and as per the ingredients, whatever the chemical component given, based on equation, one type of limiting agent is possible. Based on the composition given, one type of limiting agent is possible. So limiting agent most commonly decided by the equation. ठीक है? If not, based on the values given. Here barium chloride and HC or okay, barium chloride plus H2SO4 दिया ऐसा. BaSO4 plus 2HCl. In this really equation 1:1 only. So limiting agent का importance इधर नहीं है. If the same equation given like this, BaOH twice plus HCl gives rise to BaCl2 plus 2H2O ऐसा दिया. अभी 2HCl होना. Limiting agent कौन होगा? The one which undergoes complete reaction. इसमें कैसे दिया कि 0.2 moles of BaOH twice, 0.35 moles of HCl दिया. Question पूछ रहे कि which one is limiting agent? Try to get it fast. Which one is the limiting agent? I hope most of you got answer, including our offline students. Got to ma? Nice. Here BaOH twice HCl. One require 2. If you go from 0.2, how much required? 0.4. नहीं है, availability नहीं है. कितना सर availability? 0.35. इसीलिए limiting agent कौन है? 0.35 only. कैसे करना? If it is 2, here it is 1. If it is 2, here it is 1. If it is 0.35, it should be 0.35 by 2. If here HCl is there, it will be 1. If it is 0.35, here the answer should be X. X is equal to 0.35 by 2, 0.175 moles. 1 gives 1, 1 gives 2. So 0.175 gives how much? 0.175 moles of BaCl2. 1 gives 2, 0.175 will give you how much? Into 2. Here moles only, no confusion it is. 0.175 into 2, 0.35. So what is the composition after reaction? ये reaction में पूरा reaction हो जाता 0. What is the remaining part? Here 0.2 moles, 0.35. Really ये 0.2 में 0.175 use होता. What is the meaning of this one? 0.200, 0.175, you have to subtract. Okay. So this one will be the remaining component. So what is the remaining component after reaction? 0.025. What is the remaining component after reaction HCl? 0. Barium chloride and water. It is like this. This is the method of identifying limiting agent. H2 plus O2 gives rise to H2O. Those are asking that 2 grams hydrogen, 8 grams oxygen. कितना water molecule आएगा? Note down. 2 grams of hydrogen, 8 grams of oxygen we have taken. How many grams or how many molecules? Your choice only. But molecules is the question. First go for grams, then molecules. How many molecules of water can be formed? It must be carried through limiting agent. H2 plus half O2 gives rise to H2O. 1 half 1. First find out moles. What is the link it is there? I'll write with link, well, no doubt. 1 or 2 problems we have to write with link. Next onwards we'll continue without this type of description. 1 mole hydrogen require half mole O2, which gives 1 mole H2O. This is the method. First of all, go with this. 2 grams, how many moles? 1. Sir, कैसा है ये? Weight by gram molecular weight. 8 by 32 डालना पड़ता. Oxygen है ना? ये 1 by 4 mole है. 1 mole hydrogen, half mole O2. इधर how many moles है जी हमारे पास तो 1 और 1 by 4 है. अभी पकड़ना इसमें limiting agent कौन है? कौन है माँ? Oxygen. Very good. Oxygen is the limiting agent. वो oxygen से आंसर आते. Sir, here 1 by 2 ना, ये 1 by 4 है. So limiting agent is this guy only. Because if you start from 1, it needs a half mole. इधर half mole है जी. 1 by 4 is not more than half, sir. It is half of the half. ठीक है? So 1 by 4. So 1 mole requires 1 by 2. So 1 mole 1 by 2 नहीं है. Better go from this direction. ठीक है? If you are able to understand perfectly the term limiting agent, if one direction, if it is not possible, you have to go from the other direction. Means problem solving approach है. A life secret चाहिए. ठीक है? A problem is there, you are unable to solve that one. Okay, try to get that one in another direction. Always thinking in the same direction and going in depression means no use that one. So you have to search number of routes. Paths will be there. Even a chemical reaction can't be done in one direction directly. How a life problem can be done or can be completed, can be retrieved, and can be solved within single direction and single day? No sir, it needs much work. Okay, so 1/4 1/4 से अभी करना, ये 1/4 वाला कितना होना इसे 1/2, because ये 1/2 है तो 1 होना, 1/4 means requires how much it is? Half only. So half mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of O2, which gives you half mole of H2O. each reaction हो गया, ये पूरा reaction है. Okay, in the vessel अभी क्या क्या retain होगा? 1 mole H2 से half consume हो गया, अभी half mole H2 retains. In vessel retains last vessel components, these are. How much oxygen? 0, पूरा consume हो गया, पूरा consume हो गया. But here half mole of hydrogen, how much sir? Oxygen? Right. 1/4 only, not 1. 1/4 correct, अभी correct है. So 1/4 mole O2 consume हो गया, अभी 0 है. कितना ऑक्सीजन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल आया? राइट सर, हाफ मोल H2. हमारे पास तो हाफ मोल वाटर है. सो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स आपको आ गया. वो लोगों क्या पूछ रहे हैं? वी शुड गो विथ molecules. Half mole of water means half into 6 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. हो गया जी, आसान है. If weight question is there, half into 18, answer 9. If volume question is there, half into 1 mole water means how many grams? 18 gram. So 18 gram is equal to 9 gram, that is equal to 9 ml. कैसे आया सर 9 ml? Density of water is 1 gram per ml. इसीलिए 22.4 liter इधर यूज नहीं होता, बल्कि बोले water is liquid, you should not use 22.4 liter. Really 1 mole of water, what is the volume? 18 ml only. 1 mole water is 18 ml. अभी आधा मोल है, half mole will be 9 ml. I hope all of you got clarity on limiting agent. Today if possible I'll send you objective questions. If not, tomorrow you will get. Till then, bye bye. But limiting agent model questions in your whatever the copy sent to you, in that it is there. Just go through the of limiting agent questions and percentage problem. Okay, thank you.